All right, so today we're going to go check out the 55 and older homes that they're building here in Aurora. So I want to make sure that you stick around to the end of this video because these homes are stunning, right? You wouldn't believe the homes that you're going to see today. All right, so stick around to the end so you can see all of them. And they also have some great amenities that are coming with this community as well. So if you're over 55, this could be your next home. All right, so stick around to the end. Let's go. If this is your first time on this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Marlon here with my team, and we get calls, texts, emails, and people just like you. Yep, just like you, looking to make that move to Chicago, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, don't hesitate. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to the city of Chicago. Hey, let's go check out these homes. All right, so we made it here. We're at the first property here, the first model home for the Dell Webb homes here in Aurora, Illinois. These homes are very nice. So if you're over 55 and you're watching this video right now and you like these homes that we're about to check out right now, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email because these homes are going fast and they're consistently building more and more. So make sure you secure yours. But we're here at the first model home. This one's going to be called the Meadow, right? A part of the Scenic series here at Dell Webb. We're about to go check it out right now, and make sure you stick around to the end. Let's go. All right, so wasn't that home just perfect, right? Literally set up exactly the way that you wanted, perfect for your lifestyle. Open floor plans, a really spacious bedroom, a nice backyard there. I just think it's great, okay? So this is our first model home that we just looked at today. This one's $395,000, okay? You get 2 beds, 2 baths, 2 full baths at that. And you also get a 2-car garage. These homes are gonna be 1,500 square feet as well. And you're also gonna get some storage space in your garage. That's an added bonus, okay? So again, these homes right here, the Meadow Model here for the Scenic series, very nice home. So if you like this home, give us a call, shoot us a text so we can secure it for you. But we got more model homes we're about to go check out right now. So stick around, let's go. All right, we're here at another model. This one's called the Vista Model. Again, very nice here, so let's go check it out. All right, so that was the Vista model here for also the Scenic series here. This model is going to come with a beautiful front porch as well. And then you're also going to get 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 1,500 square feet, and another 2-car garage, okay? But with this garage, right, you don't have the extra storage space. All right, so this one's going to run you around $385,000, okay? So that's really nice here for these model homes here for the Scenic series. All right, again, this is the Vista model. Great for you and the grandkids to come on by. Right, invite them all over. Let's have a good time. All right, but we're gonna go keep looking at the next model homes. Let's go. All right, so we're here at the next one. This one's part of the upper echelon series here. These homes are gonna be 2,700 square feet, so a lot bigger than the previous 2 model homes that we just looked at. So make sure that you're prepared for that much more space that you're gonna get here. But we're about to go check out the Renown model home here right now, part of the echelon series. Let's go. Wow, just wow. Right, so right there, that was the Renown model here for the upper echelon. I keep saying upper, but it's really the echelon series here, for Dell Webb here in Aurora, Illinois. Very, very stunning home that we just walked through there. Really nice here. You're gonna get 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage as well, 2,700 square feet, so a lot bigger than those other model homes. So if you need a little bit more space for the grandkids to come on over, right, this could be the model home just for you. Now with this one, right, they do come with stairs, right? So if you're someone who don't want to deal with the stairs, then this might not be the one for you. But if you're okay with going up a couple stairs, or if you want your grandkids to go up those stairs, then this model can be just perfect for you, all right? And remember, in the backyard there was the lake, right? So if you want a home, that's sitting right there off of the lake, this could be one of the perfect homes for you. And you got to make sure you secure those ASAP, because those are, of course, the most popular ones, right? Everybody wants the one right off the lake. And then you also have that beautiful back porch area, right? Back deck area, whatever you want to call it. And that just looks really nice back there, really serene. And it's very quiet here as well, right there by the walking trail as well. So very nice, right? Again, this is the Renown model here for the Echelon series here. Very nice, right? You get the front porch as well. Very nice. All right, so this was this model. We've got 2 more models we're about to go check out, so stick around. We're on our way there right now.